Before going any further, it would be greatly appreciated if you would take a moment to subscribe. I spend 5 to 6 hours per video making them, editing them, and uploading them to YouTube, so every little bit helps. Thank you. Alright guys, so I'm out here trying to do some topwater fishing. It's the first topwater fishing I've tried this year. Yeah, I already had one hit, kind of missed a little bit, so I'm going to start filming and we'll see what we can do.
Was kind of not paying attention, and this one grabbed it. I guess it was, probably not the biggest explosion on the top, but at least it's something. Fish is absurdly thin. That is not a good sign. Oh wow, God. Look at that. That's not good. And that doesn't look like a spawned out fish either. The fish is starving. This little guy.